everybody, I'm back and we're doing another craft. This is a cupcake card. So what you need for this craft is a piece of paper folded into a card like shape, a pen, scissors, and then you can't see it because it's off the table, but colored pencils or markers. Now, the first step to this cupcake craft is drawing your cupcake. So first, you draw like this for your cupcake liner, like that. And then I'm gonna make sure the edges are even. And then what you do is you draw a bunch of triangles on the lid of the box shape, like that. Then, once you finish with that step, you draw a big moon or sunset shape like that over this. And then you draw the frosting, which you start out with a big circle like this, and then a little bit smaller, then a little bit smaller, then a little bit smaller, like that. And then what you do, you can do this, but you don't have to. You can add a little cherry on top by doing a circle and a stem like that. And then the most fun part, coloring it. So I'm gonna be right back and color this cupcake. I finished coloring it. I did a rainbow liner, a chocolate cake, a bubblegum pink frosting, and a ripe red cherry. The next step to cutting it, the next step for the craft is to cut it. And why it's already cut a little bit is because my brother walked to the kitchen and he was embarrassed, so he had me redo it. So yeah. And so yeah, I'm gonna cut this. So I finished cutting the cupcake, and you'll see there's two sides and they fit perfectly together. Like that. And now the next step is to tape it with your tape. You just need a little piece of tape. Like that big. And then what you do is you take the sides, put them together, and just tape it and wrap it around like that so you can open it and write something inside. I'm making this for Father's Day. So I'm gonna write something about my dad that I love. So yeah, this is this craft. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, and if you're new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!